In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install WordPress on GoDaddy step by step, so you can get your website up and running quickly and without confusion. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, knowing exactly where to click can save you a lot of time. Whether you're starting a blog, a business site, or an online portfolio, this guide will walk you through the full setup from your GoDaddy dashboard all the way to creating your new WordPress site. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. All right, let's get started. First, log into your GoDaddy account using your email and password. Once you're inside your account, you'll be taken to the main dashboard where you can see all of your products and services. From here, look for the option that says My Products and click on it. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your active services, including domain names, hosting, and website tools. Next, scroll down until you find the web hosting section. Under that section, you should see your hosting plan listed with a Manage button next to it. Click Manage to open the hosting controls for that specific plan. This is the area where you can launch a website, configure hosting settings, and begin the WordPress installation process. Once the hosting dashboard opens, look for the option that says Create a New Site. Click that option to start building a fresh website from scratch. GoDaddy will then guide you through a setup wizard designed to help you get WordPress installed properly. At this stage, you may be asked to choose a data center location. It's a good idea to pick the best data center based on where your audience is located, because this can help improve site speed and performance. If your visitors are mostly in one region, choose the closest available location for the best results. After selecting the data center, move on to the next step and confirm that this is a WordPress site. GoDaddy may show you different website types or setup options, so make sure WordPress is selected before continuing. This is important because it ensures your hosting environment is configured correctly for WordPress. Next, you'll need to choose a WordPress username. This username will be used to access your WordPress admin area later, so pick something secure and easy for you to remember. Try to avoid overly simple or obvious usernames, and make sure you'll be able to log in comfortably once the site is live. After that, review your choices one more time, and then click Create My Site. GoDaddy will now begin setting up your WordPress website automatically. Depending on your hosting plan and system speed, this process may take a few moments, so be patient while everything is configured in the background. Once the setup is complete, your new WordPress site will be ready to use. From there, you can log in, choose a theme, customize your pages, and start building your website content. And that's it. You've successfully installed WordPress on GoDaddy. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.